Hello.
Let's practice English.
Have you ever wanted to talk about your weekend, but you don't know what to say in English?
Oh, yes, that happens a lot.
You had a fun weekend, but no words come.
And you just say, it was good.
Yes, only good.
But today, we will fix that.
Yes, today we will talk about your weekend in English.
Simple sentences, real conversation.
Stay with us. You will speak better after this. So, Mia, how are you today?
I'm good, Alex. A little lazy.
Lazy? Why?
Because it is Monday.
Monday feeling.
What about you?
I feel okay, but I want more weekend.
Same here.
Weekend is always too short.
Always.
So today's topic is,
What did you do last weekend?
this is a very common question.
Yes, people ask this all the time.
At work, at school, with friends.
So you need to know how to answer.
Exactly. Let's start simple.
Yes,
You can say, I stayed at home.
very easy.
Repeat with us.
I stayed at home.
Good. Mia, what did you do last weekend?
I stayed at home.
Nice.
And I watched movies.
Oh, nice. Here is a useful sentence.
Yes.
I watched a movie.
You can say this anytime.
Very common. Now a small story.
Let's hear it.
Last weekend, I watched a movie.
What movie?
I forgot the name. But it was fun.
That is important.
Now another sentence.
Yes.
I went out with friends.
Very useful.
Repeat.
I went out with friends.
Good. Mia, did you go out?
Yes, I went out with friends.
Where did you go?
We went to a cafe.
Sounds nice. Now let's add more detail.
Okay.
You can say, I went to a cafe and had coffee.
Simple and clear.
Now a question for you.
Yes.
What did you do last weekend?
Write in the comments.
Now another idea.
Let's go.
I visited my family.
Very common.
Repeat.
I visited my family.
Mia, did you visit your family?
Yes, I visited my parents.
That's nice.
We had dinner together.
Oh, that sounds good. Now a funny moment.
Tell me.
One time I said,
What?
I am go to market yesterday.
Oh no.
That is wrong.
Very wrong.
Correct is,
I went to the market.
yes. Now a useful sentence.
Yes.
I went to the market.
Use went for past.
Now another example.
Okay.
I played games.
Easy.
Repeat.
I played games.
Mia, what games did you play?
I played mobile games.
Same.
I played for 2 hours.
That is a long time. Now a small story.
Yes.
Last weekend, I planned to study.
And?
I played games all day. No study.
That is very real.
Now let's learn another sentence.
Yes.
I slept a lot.
Very real weekend sentence.
Repeat.
I slept a lot.
Mia, did you sleep a lot?
Yes, I slept a lot.
How many hours?
Maybe 10 hours.
Wow. Now a relatable moment.
Yes.
Weekend plan, wake up early.
Reality, sleep till noon.
That is me. Now let's practice.
Ready?
I stayed at home.
Good.
I watched a movie.
Nice.
I went out with friends.
Perfect.
If you are watching,
Yes.
write, I am learning English.
We want to see you.
Now let's go deeper.
Okay.
You can also say, I cleaned my room.
Oh, yes.
Repeat.
I cleaned my room.
Mia, did you clean your room?
No. I was too lazy.
Now another sentence.
Yes.
I cooked food.
Very useful.
Repeat.
I cooked food.
Mia, what did you cook?
I cooked noodles.
Nice.
But I made a mistake.
What happened?
Too much salt.
Oh no.
It was very salty.
Funny but sad. Now one more.
Let's go.
I watched YouTube.
Very real.
Repeat.
I watched YouTube.
How many hours?
Maybe 3 hours.
That is a lot.
Weekend life.
Now tips time.
Yes.
Tip 1. Use simple sentences.
Don't use hard words.
Tip 2. Speak in past tense.
Use went, watched, played.
Tip 3. Add small details.
Like with friends, at home.
Tip 4. Practice daily.
Even 5 minutes.
Now repeat with us.
Ready?
I went to the market.
Good.
I visited my family.
Nice.
I played games.
Perfect.
Now pause the video.
Yes.
Say 3 sentences about your weekend.
Take your time.
Let's do a quick recap.
Today we learned many sentences.
I stayed at home.
I watched a movie.
I went out with friends.
I visited my family.
I played games.
I slept a lot.
These are simple.
But very useful.
You can use them every week.
Yes, every weekend.
Now a question for you.
Yes.
What did you do last weekend?
Write in the comments.
Keep it simple. Thank you for learning with us.
You are doing great.
Keep practicing every day.
You will improve.
Don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.